In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deals in Monday.com CRM. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. If you're setting this up for a sales team, the main goal is to build a clear workspace where leads can move through your pipeline from first contact all the way to becoming customers. Having that structure in place makes it much easier to see what's happening with every opportunity. Once you're inside the account, click the plus icon to create a new board. This board will serve as your sales pipeline, which is basically the central place where your team can track every deal in progress. After that, click New Board to begin the setup. In the prompt box, type Sales Pipeline. Monday.com. AI will generate a board with default stages designed for sales tracking. Then click Create Board. You'll notice that the board already includes some standard stages such as Lead, Negotiation, Closed Won, and Closed Lost. Lead is for new opportunities. Negotiation is where active deal discussions happen. Closed Won means the deal has been successfully converted, and Closed Lost is for deals that did not move forward. Next, add a new group so you can include additional stages that are useful in a more complete sales process. Add Contacted, Qualified, Proposal Sent, and Contract Sent. Contacted is helpful for marking leads that have already received initial outreach. Qualified shows that the lead has been reviewed and is a good fit. Proposal Sent indicates that pricing or a formal offer has been shared. Contract Sent means the deal is progressing toward final agreement. After that, click the plus icon again to add columns. Your pipeline should include the essential fields needed to track deals properly, such as company, contact name, email, phone, deal value, owner, deal stage, priority, next follow-up, last contact, and notes. Now add the next follow-up column and choose the date column type. This helps your team stay on top of upcoming actions and prevents leads from going cold. Then add the last contact column, also using the date type, so you can quickly see when someone last reached out. Add a notes column as well, which is useful for storing important details, updates, and context about each opportunity. Next, open an existing deal or add a new one, then assign the salesperson responsible for that lead. Set the priority to critical in this example, so the team can focus on the most important opportunity first. After that, select negotiation as the deal stage to reflect where the deal currently stands. Then set an expected closing date. This gives visibility into forecasting and helps the team plan ahead. Set the next follow-up date to make sure the next action is scheduled, and then record the date of the last contact with the deal representative, so communication stays organized. Lastly, create notes for tracking. This is where you can log updates, call outcomes, or reminders that help everyone stay aligned on the deal. That's how to set up Monday.com CRM for sales teams and track deals effectively. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.